My dad bought this little single-cylinder diesel at auction the other day. Spins over freely, the valves are working, but there is no compression. Haven't tore it apart yet, but I have no idea what it is. I haven't looked over it super thoroughly, but the only thing I can see is the diamond symbol. That's got to mean something to the particular manufacturer of this engine. So if anybody knows, I'd really appreciate it if you let me know what it is. I don't know. That thing that come to me right offhand was a Lister diesel, but I have no clue. I have never worked on one of these. Never have worked on. So I've tried to get up close where people can look at it and inspect it. It's got a gear reduction. I'm guessing probably just 1.5 to 1. But I don't know what this thing is. The one thing that leads me to believe it's a Lister is, I know Lister is an English made, and I'm guessing this is a fuel filter, and it says made in England, so I'm sure it's most likely a Lister. But it seems to be all complete. The only thing missing is the fuel tank. But it spins over nice and freely. I mean, the flywheel, it's got a heavy flywheel. But the crank bearings seem nice and tight. Hopefully maybe it's just been second for a while. But the valve cover comes off pretty easy. It looks pretty clean in there. So the valves ain't stuck, they're moving up and down. So I'm hoping it ain't nothing serious, because if I can get, new rings for it, if it's not just blowed up, that would be awesome, because I bet this would be a really cool engine to get going. Unfortunately, the shroud has been crushed right there, but that can be pushed back out. But the engine, it's got light surface rust here and there, but it's a super clean engine. I would love to be able to get this thing going. Missing a bolt there. Check the oil. The oil doesn't look real dirty at all. The oil's pretty clean. Looks like it's not going to be hard to take the head off of it. But this is what I got. Maybe you guys could tell me where I can get the model number off of it and give it to you and find out, what the horsepower rating is and all that. I'm guessing 8-10 horsepower maybe. Not sure. Maybe more. But yeah, if somebody knows, just let me know. I'd appreciate it. I'm going to try to get this thing running. Thanks, guys.